Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a slight change to the schedule. Unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do the rainbow rose today. I'm a little bit on the busy side today, so I'm too busy with other things, and I thought, well, just to make up for it, I'll put a Temu haul in there instead. Now in here we've got a big package, and in here we have a bit of mixture of things, because I have noticed Temu have started to, when they dispatch something, they will dispatch another thing behind it and then bundle it into one. So you've got like two track numbers for the same package. But we will do what we can. In here are some sliders, because my family's member wants to go on holiday. So yes, we'll have to see about that. But in here is another diamond painting haul. Sorry, another diamond painting. I can't get it out today. It's the weather. In here is another diamond painting file. You know, I said I wanted to show you before. So in here, oh look, oh gosh, yeah. So in here we've got, these are the, blimey. These are big size, my brother. They're actually, they look massive. So he wanted like just some like basic sliders, because he's supposed to be going away with his girlfriend. So. And yeah, he asked me to get him some of them. He is quite a big size, so I got him them. He said any ones will do, so that's fine with me. As you can see, they're your basic sort of sliders there. So yeah, about size 10, as you can see. And they do a white version of these. And yeah, I like the little, says teen on there, so I suppose it's some sort of like koala bear or something, but I hope they will fit him, and we can get them over to them on Monday when I go and visit, so that will go back in there. So yeah, some nice basic sliders there. Wish I could go away on holiday, but I'm too busy. And then in here I got this aluminum, I can't remember what this was. I think it's aluminum, I can't get it out, luminous tape, is it? I think this is, yeah, green. So what it is it's like tape that you light up, and it's supposed to like glow in the dark sort of thing. It's luminous, but I'm sure I got blue, but that looks like a white to me. I'll have to double check that, but that's that. And then we've got a painting, and as you can see, the portfolio. I have been eagerly awaiting for this for ages. We've got another painting as well. We'll get to that in a minute. But I've run out of room, and I've been eagerly waiting. Right, that's it. We're going to have to get, I can't remember where I put the scissors. Oh, Jesus. Right, let's get a, oh, there they are. Found them. But yeah, so I'm hoping I don't need any more files, but the problem is the more paintings you get, the more files you need, and but yeah, I'm really happy with that. They're actually back on track now, because they've been coming really late. And yeah, look at this. So this is, try my best to do this, but this is the banana colour, like the yellow colour, so I really like it. It's an A3 portfolio, and oh, this one's a bit different, because my previous one was portrait. This looks like it's a landscape, but we'll take a look at it, and it'll go with my collection, because I've got a white one. I've got a, oh, trying to get this all on camera, because it's quite difficult when you've got like a big thing to show, because I can't always get it in the frame of the tripod and that. But let's take this out. Lovely packaging. Oh yeah, this is nice. So as you can see in here, it's very similar. So you've got poly pockets in here, so as you can see, you would put your paintings in there, and you've got yourself a good selection of poly pockets there. This one is it's nice and thin as well, and this one's the lemon chiffon, and you've got 30 pockets there. If you wanted to, you can put your design there. If you wanted to, it's A3 as well. It's nice and thin. Now with me, when I put my paintings in there, I put the painting with the jewels in there, so that I know where the jewels are. But sometimes it can make it a little bit heavy, so it's up to you if you just want to put your painting in there or what have you. But I'm really happy with this. That's really lovely colour, absolutely fabulous. Now if we just look at this, now this was a recommendation one, and I have to thank Diamond Paints with TM for this. She very kindly sent me a picture of one of her paintings that she bought. It was like a little dragon, and I said, oh, where did you get that? And she showed me it, and I had a look, and there was all different variation ones. And I went for this one, so it's a slightly different dragon, and it's one of them smaller sizes, but look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like a little dragon, 25 times 25, and it's 16 colours. You've got a lovely blue section, all this lovely blue jewel here, and these lovely red wings, and it's like it's sitting on like some sort of ball. If you look up there, it's like a little ball or something that it's sitting on, so lovely decent size there, and I'm really happy with that. So let's take a look at the tray itself. So there's the tray, and you've got the pen and the wax there, and then in here we have, as you can see, we have got ourselves the drills. So if we just put this over that way, and that can go that way. So we've got the light blue. That's really, really gorgeous. We've got some browns, greys, dark blue. That's lovely. War blue, I think that is. Isn't it lovely when you get a paint in and it's all got your favourite colour in? So really, really lovely ones here, as you can see. Absolutely fantastic. So that's them ones. And then in here we've got the brown, the light blue, the red, well, reddy pink, and then the lilac there. So I'm really happy with my purchase. This banana, I mean, it's lemon, but I think it's banana. It's a lovely file, but I can't wait to get into there and be putting the paintings in there. And also, obviously, if you've got the Gems Flow app, remember that Gems Flow app, you can catalogue all your paintings. So I will be very, very happy to put them in. And obviously, the little painting goes really well with that. These are really cheap. They're like £6, something like that, and I'm really, really happy with that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this should be my last file. Otherwise, I might have to order another one, because the more paint, as I said, the more paintings you get, the more files you need to store them. But at the moment, they're just lying in like a big container thing, and I need to free that room up because I want to get rid of it. So it just takes up too much room. So yeah, hope you like that little video. I'm sorry that the rainbow rose is not going to be on today, but I'll try and get that back for next week. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for the videos I do, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.